My name is Nettie. I am the coding master! Huh? What is this? Wow! What an awesome drawing! Amazing!
Oh, Nettie, what are you doing?
Say, look at this! I found an incredible artwork!
An incredible artwork? What is it?
Look at this drawing! Wow, isn't it amazing?
Oh, this drawing? It's actually…
Say, who do you think made it? Vincent van Gogh? No, Vincent van Gogh doesn't use this technique. Perhaps Manet? No, I don't think so.
Nettie, I think that it's an artist we all know.
Huh? Which artist? Who? I'm so curious, Say!
I'll tell you who it is. Just trust and follow me.
Say! Wait for me! Let's make it! Dial module. Motor controller module. 2 motor modules. Battery module. Basic brick. 2 wheels. Pen. Transparent tape. Oh, Say, what are you trying to make today?
You'll love it. Today, we're going to make a drawing bot that automatically draws pictures.
Whoa! It'll automatically draw pictures? Whoa! Then I, Nettie the coding genius, need to be a part of this!
Okay, then shall we begin? All right, first connect the wheels to the motor modules. Like this. Like this. Next, we have to connect the motor controller module, dial, and battery module to the basic brick in order. Like this. And like this. And attach the motors to both ends of the basic brick so the wheels face downwards. Like this.
Say, what does the dial do?
You can control the speed of the drawing bot with the dial.
Control the speed?
Yep, the speed of the motor changes according to the rotation of the dial. But there's one important thing you must know. The motor controller module and the dial module must always be connected together.
Stick them on. Okay.
Now, we're going to attach the pen that will draw the picture. Tape the pen firmly to the back of the basic brick. Nettie, tape please.
Okay. Here's the tape.
Thank you, Nettie. To draw properly, we need to adjust the pen so its tip touches the paper.
Say, you truly are a maker genius! Say, you're awesome!
Thank you, Nettie. Like this. Now, if we put this together, ta-da! All done!
The drawing bot made this awesome drawing! Now even I can draw something amazing! Should I try drawing something?
I can't wait, Nettie!
Yay! I'm the Nettie, the artist, who can draw everything! Yeah! Picasso! Monet! Monet! no artist in the world as great as me! Oh, yeah!
Oh, Nettie! Nettie, stop!
What's wrong? I was having fun drawing!
Look at what you did!
Oh no! Did I overdo it with my skills?
I can't stop you.